Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I customize my lace frontal using my foundation. Okay, this video is going to be very short, so make sure you watch to the end. I'm just showing you guys how the lace looks like before I customize it. So for this video you're going to be using your foundation. I use the Fit Me foundation in the shade 365, and now you're going to use a beauty blender or whatever you want to use to apply the foundation. So you guys can see my first application of the foundation, I used too much. So you guys want to use a very tiny amount, like use it bit by bit, small, like very little goes a long way. So you guys will see now I resorted to putting the foundation at the back of my hand. So I just keep taking it like little by little to like rub on the lace frontal. You guys want to take it little like by little because you don't want like the lace you don't want the foundation running through the lace and like staining your hair. So you need to do it like slowly. You need to do this like slowly and like gently. Don't be like too hard so that the foundation won't go through the hair. Yeah, you get what I'm saying. So what I'm doing right now is that like I'm just putting the foundation anywhere I feel like there is no foundation on the lace. So right now I'm going to put my future subscribers on the screen. Thank you guys for commenting. Thank you guys for sticking with me. I love you guys. And yeah, let's continue with the video. So after doing all this, I'm going to use my blow dryer to blow dry my hair. I used the blow dryer in the highest heat. This is so that the foundation will not like stain on anything at all, your mannequin head, your hair. Like it won't stain when you're wearing your wig, when you're sweating and all those stuffs. So after blow drying my hair, I'm going to show you guys what the lace frontal looks like, and I'm also going to show you guys what it looks like on my hand. Like remember I showed you guys what it looks like on my hand before I applied the foundation. So yeah, right now right now I'm just like showing you guys what it looks like and also showing you guys what it looks like on my hand. So right now what I'm trying to say is that you shouldn't like put your foundation on the lace frontal there, because either ways you're still going to cut it off. That's like wasting your foundation. So yeah, this is my hand like after I'm done with the hair. Like there is no stain at all in my hand, like you guys can see. Sorry, on my hand, like you guys can see. So this is what they found. This is what everything looks like at the end of the day. I'll see you guys in my next video where I'll teach you guys how I make my wigs. Bye.